We are going to be unboxing the CanaKit Raspberry Pi 4 starter kit with 32 gigabyte EVO plus removable storage, premium black case, and 8 gigabytes of RAM. Left and right side has the website on it. Top and bottom of the box has the CanaKit trademark on it, same as the back of the box. Let's open this thing up. This is what everything looks like out of the box, but still in its packaging. And I'm going to leave most of this in its own packaging because I'm going to save that for another video where I'm going to show you how to put everything together inside of this box here. But for now, I'm just going to focus on the Pi itself and the contents of all this box. So you're going to get a fan to cool off the processors. You're going to get a USB micro SD card reader for your noobs. It'll make things a lot easier for you. And these are heat sinks for your processors and stuff. Up here is an on and off button for your power, as we USB-C on the side of it. This static free packaging contains your 32 gigabyte micro SD card memory storage and a quick start guide for your Raspberry Pi 4, as well as a very important read me first and a dear valued customer letter. Now you also get an HDMI regular to an HDMI mini. Raspberry Pi 4 has HDMI minis on the processor, it's on the computer itself. This is the case that I'm going to make another video for to show how to put it all together. And here is your wall pack for your power supply. And this is the Raspberry Pi itself. On one side of the Raspberry Pi, you get 4 USB ports and a networking port. The long side of the Pi has a USB-C port, 2 HDMI mini ports, and an audio port. That's it, my brothers and sisters. Later.